Hello, welcome back to Gyan Darshan tutorial page. In this section, we are going to learn the valuation of goodwill under simple average profit method. The simple average profit method of valuating goodwill says that you have to follow certain steps to compute goodwill of a firm. So, what is the very first step? Step 1 says that compute adjusted profit or loss for all the given years. Actually, in your question, there will be 3 years or 4 years, 5 years for which we might be given the profits or the losses. Some years might have profits, some years might have losses. And actually, for valuating goodwill, we need to take only operating profit. But actually, the traditional practices is that the net profit that we decide include non-operating income, non-operating expenses and losses. And sometimes it might happen that there are some operating expenses or operating incomes, those have been excluded. So what we have to do, out of the given profit or losses as given in the question, we have to adjust all those items. That is why here step 1 tells us that compute adjusted profit or loss for all the given years. In a separate video we will learn how to compute adjusted profit or loss, but here in short I am going to tell you that the process is the step is profit for the given years, add non-operating expenses and losses already adjusted. Why non-operating expenses or losses is added? Because it has been already deducted earlier, then profit was decided. So and as per rule, no non-operating expenses or losses can be taken to determine operating profit for the purpose of goodwill. That is why it is added back. The next is less non-operating or non-trading income, profits and gains. Why this is subtracted? Because non-operating income is not a part of trading or operating income. It is already added, and if it has been already added, that is wrong. So here we deduct it from the given profit or loss. Third one is add operating income. If any operating income or trading income has not been included, add them. And the fourth is less operating expenses and losses. If any operating expenses or losses of day-to-day nature or usual nature of the business, if that has not been subtracted, it must be subtracted. Those are usually salary, management expenses, general expenses, etc. So after doing all these things, we will have adjusted profit or loss. Step 2 says compute the sum of the adjusted profit or loss. ये जो स्टेप 1 में हम एडजस्टेड प्रॉफिट और लॉस निकाल लेंगे, तो स्टेप 2 में क्या करेंगे, उन सभी का एडजस्टेड प्रॉफिट और लॉस सारा जोड़ घटाव करने के बाद जो आएगा उसका सम टोटल कर लेंगे, राइट. तो दैट इज सम टोटल ऑफ द एडजस्टेड प्रॉफिट और लॉस. दैट इज स्टेप 2. इफ देयर आर लॉसेस, दैट विल बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. स्टेप 3 सेज दैट find out simple average profit. Find out simple average profit. So what is the formula of simple average profit? SAP, simple average profit, equals to sum of the profits and losses. ये जो इसमें जो sum total find किया ना स्टेप 2 में, that sum total will be written here बट्टा upon number of years. Sum of the adjusted profit and losses अपॉन नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स से डिवाइड कर देंगे, तो जो आएगा द रिजल्ट इज SAP, सिंपल एवरेज प्रॉफिट. Now step 4 says us that find out the NYP. NYP means number of years purchase. Number of years purchase equals to formula is n plus 1 by 2. Here n means number of years. Here n means number of years. So suppose if number of years is 5, so 5 plus 1 by 2 equals to 3 already. But suppose if n is 4, so 4 plus 1 by 2, so 5 by 2 equals to 2.5. So 2.5 will be approximated to the next whole number, that is 3. In no case fractional part of the year shall be taken. It will be adjusted to the completed natural numbers. Okay. So NYP, number of years purchase, is equal to n plus 1 by 2. And the last step is step 5, find goodwill. Goodwill equals to SAP into NYP. SAP means simple average profit, that we have computed in step 3, into NYP, number of years purchase, that we have calculated step 4. So G, under simple average profit method, G, goodwill equals to simple average profit into number of year purchase, equals to step 3 into step 4. So this is the step of simple average profit methods to find out goodwill. Thank you.